Good day guys, here's where I've started with the forward control. So it's an update video, hope you enjoy it. Here is two sneak peeks of overdrive I'm also busy working on. I'll have a video on it as well. Here is some of the disassembling. This is where I found it. So I had to collect all the parts and see how much I can get hold of before I started to put it back together. Here it's back home. I started to paint the bulkhead and the floorboards and the seat box. It was not really a seat box anymore. As you can see there, it was quite disassembled. So here's a few pics of before and after painting. As you can see there, it's looking better when it's painted. Here I had to put a new wall block at the back, and I just took a few pictures so I can remember and see how it looks inside the gearbox also. Yeah, I started to put some seat box and other body parts back. I took off the roof so I can measure everything properly and build a new frame. So here's the roof off, and we started to build a new frame at the back for the roof and for the sides. Here you can see I'm putting a Land Rover roof on top with the tropical roof, and here's some sides also putting in. So I started painting the frame also that I was welding. Here's my dad also helped some grinding and measuring. There I was drilling the aluminium roof, some of the plates I was putting on top there. As you can see there, the roof is almost done, and the Land Rover roof is fitting in the hole there. Here I was sanding the floor and start painting it. There I was making my side door frame, so I can have a door on the side also. So there I was also partly putting on the roof. Here you can see I was sticking it also with silicone or something, the plate on its place. Yeah, I was putting in the lock of the side door to fit it, so it looks quite nice and it works well. There I was putting the back side of the roof. Here I'm cutting the plates of the caravan, so I'm using caravan panels to close the forward control. As you can see, it looks quite neat. I think it's looking quite neat and fits the car well. Here I've put the electronics, I put lights, and they have been tested, they're working. I'm quite impressed with it. So I'm quite exciting to finish it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.